Hello, I'm Sophie from Carlisle Audi, and today I'll be showing you around this used mini hatch Cooper Sport. This Mini comes finished in red paintwork and comes fitted with the 1.5 petrol engine and manual gearbox, allowing this vehicle to reach top speeds of 130 miles an hour. This vehicle is also ULEZ compliant, allowing you to travel anywhere you wish with ease. To the front of the vehicle is a set of LED headlights designed to perfectly illuminate the road no matter the driving conditions. The vehicle sits on a set of 17-inch alloy wheels finished in black with the John Cooper Works track badging. This Mini Cooper comes fitted with a set of rear parking sensors, allowing you to easily manoeuvre in tight spaces. To the rear of the vehicle is a set of LED rear lights. These are finished in the eye-catching Union Jack design. Moving into the tailgate, this is incredibly easy to open and comes with plenty of storage space for such a small vehicle. Inside the rear of the vehicle are two seats that come with Isofix. This is designed to let you easily install children's car seats into your vehicle. Moving into the front of the vehicle, this Mini comes with John Cooper Works sport seats which add a sporty finish to the interior. This Mini comes with the 8.8-inch touchscreen with an LED ring. This allows you to control your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as use split screen settings for added convenience. From the screen you can also use your DAB radio and see important information about your car. This Mini comes with manual climate control which allows you to easily adjust the temperature within the vehicle. In front of the driver is the multifunction steering wheel, allowing you to control your cruise control, music and phone connectivity. The vehicle also comes with easy to read dials that show your speed. That concludes our 360 walk around of this mini hatch Cooper Sport. Thank you so much for watching. For any further inquiries, please don't hesitate to get in touch.